With 13 years of fenestration mastery, Wonja harnesses dedicated R&D prowess to redefine functional excellence. Our innovations transform living and commercial spaces through intelligent engineering. The Series 80 folding door exemplifies this commitment. Forged with stainless steel hanging tracks and heavy-duty hinges, its exceptional load-bearing capacity accommodates expansive retail portals. Labor-saving installation minimizes operational disruption. Thermal break aluminum profiles create an insulating fortress, while double glazing fused with EPDM seals orchestrate acoustic serenity and airtight precision. Elevating environmental comfort to new heights. Concealed hinges and pillar-free design deliver seamless integration, honoring minimalist architecture in homes and boutiques alike. At Wonja, progress is perpetual motion. We sculpt enduring functionality into every portal, empowering global clientele with doors that move as intelligently as they protect.